Introduction to Google Translate Offline.
Google Translate is a powerful tool that helps you understand and communicate in different languages. But did you know you can use it even without internet access? In this guide, you'll learn how to download languages to your device, so you can translate text anytime, anywhere, even when you're offline.
Why use Google Translate offline?
Using Google Translate offline is convenient when traveling or in places with limited connectivity. Offline mode allows instant translation, saves data, and can be more private by not relying on the internet. By preparing ahead, you can ensure you have the language support you need, whether you're abroad or in a dead zone.
How to download languages in the app.
First, open the Google Translate app on your device. Tap the language at the top of the home screen to see the full list. Next to each supported language, you'll see a download icon. Tap the icon to download the language pack. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, as the files can be large.
Translating text without internet.
Once you've downloaded the languages you need, you can use Google Translate offline. Just type or paste your text into the app. Make sure the chosen languages have been downloaded. The app will translate your text instantly, even if you don't have network access. This works for typed and copied text, and for camera translations in some languages.
Managing and updating language packs.
To manage your offline languages, open the app and go to Settings, or tap the language list again. From there, you can update or delete downloaded language packs to free up space. Updating ensures you have the latest improvements. Regularly check for updates to keep your offline translations accurate and reliable.
Tips for using Google Translate offline.
Remember, offline translations may not be as advanced as online ones, but they're still very useful. Download languages before travel or use. Keep your app and language packs updated for best results. For rare languages, check if offline support is available, as not all options are offered. Plan ahead and enjoy seamless communication wherever you go.